Today I'm going to tell you what your role is in having a successful project. Really the most important thing, at least the first thing, is compatibility. You're going to spend the next year of your life with these people. Do you want to? Does that prospect excite you? Skill and quality and a lot of these other factors are very, very important. But let's worry about those next, because really, if compatibility, if fit isn't right, we don't need to go down that road. We can just move on. I recommend that you and your spouse meet with this company. Both of you will have different perspectives, but ultimately both of you will be working with these people. And it's important that both of you feel really good about this relationship. It's really important for them to feel really good about working with both of you. You know, a lot of times this is something you can know, usually within the first meeting. You'll get a sense of whether or not you feel like you can trust this person or these people, whether or not they have a process you feel you can follow confidently. I think these are all reasonable things to try and assess on the first one, really from a gut perspective. Is this right? And if not, keep looking.